The distinction between lighting and appliance panels described in section 408.14. A. And power panels described in section 408.14. B. In the National Electrical Code is based on their intended use. Lighting and appliance panels are primarily used for supplying power to lighting fixtures, small appliances, and ground fault circuit interrupter protected outlets in residential, commercial, and industrial occupancies. Power panels are designed for distributing power to machinery, equipment, and other loads that require higher amperage and more robust protection. Making this distinction helps ensure proper installation and use of electrical panels based on their intended function and load requirements. The difference in overcurrent protection between lighting and appliance panels described in section 408.16. B. And power panel boards described in section 408.16. B. Lies in the potential fault currents that each type of panel may experience. Lighting and appliance panels generally have lower fault currents due to the typically lower amperage loads they serve. They are typically protected by circuit breakers or fuses rated at 15 to 20 amps. Power panels can experience higher fault currents because they supply power to equipment or machinery that draws more amperage. They are therefore protected by circuit breakers or fuses rated at 25 amps or higher, as appropriate for the load demand and fault current potential. By providing different overcurrent protection requirements, the NEC ensures that both types of panels are adequately protected from overcurrent conditions, preventing electrical fires and other hazards.